You.
Should we stay here only? Yeah.
What do you want? That camera is recording?
Yeah.
Here only? For
Yeah,
now?
here only. Allah Harbi. Give shukr. Allah Derek.
This we will like for something.
Next time we bring a tent and we go inside and we sleep.
Because literally in tent you have that facility.
You can hear the noise of water.
And it's
Because
not
it's
a
windy.
yeah, and it is not river or
It's what?
something. It's just like a lake, but because of wind.
Yeah, it's a lake. You have to fix the other one. It's very sunny. So our setup is slowly coming in shape. Right?
Yeah. Okay, so there are flags.
You have to mount this barbecue first.
Yeah.
You know there are a lot of butterflies I'm seeing.
Yeah.
Everywhere butterflies.
But we see how peaceful.
Yeah, so peaceful.
This literally I was expecting that there will be people. You are the only one from the whole Bangalore who plan to come here.
That's nice.
Huh?
Show me the charcoal.
It's like these cubes.
Yeah, I was telling you. No.
Cut it. Anyways, I will edit it.
Don't fly, sit here.
अरे भाई साहब whole bus came. Dude, the whole bus came.
Yes, this spot is good.
Ah, babe. Finally. Oh, you're happy?
No. Peel pomegranate for me.
And these woods, if we can collect.
You collect them. See there are so many. Here. Now every day go for camping alone. Go in jungle. Every day.
There is any jungle with internet, I'll work from there only.
So let's cook the chicken now only.
Of course.
So bring it to me. I'll marinate. Give me this white table here. Ah, small.
What do you want?
Wait. لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله. Okay, fire is ready.
So now, once this is happening, then what we will do? We'll have with salad.
No. Oh, salad and that wrap.
Sheikh's family. We'll bring over that thing, you know, like that wood with the marking Sheikh's family. So good.
So beautiful. So elegant.
Just
Just
looking like, a wow.
wow.
We got coffee also.
Yeah.
So many are coming now.
Babe, the plates.
See,
they
if
are
you
in
want
car.
us to wash, we have a lot of water. We can wash this pan.
No, I washed it. Plates in car. It's so fun to cook in the nature. I'm
Babe,
loving
amazing,
it.
you know. I'm loving it. We should have got one barrada of mint tea also.
No problem. Not everything. Leave something for coming time. That shakshuka, I don't know how I made it.
Amazing.
No,
So yummy.
but quickly and people are watching and I was pissed off.
See, this is good.
No, it's good. Just put it on the plate. No, on the plate. Whoa! What was that?
No problem. No problem. No problem.
No problem. Whoppa! Yalla.
How you adjusted this onion and this?
No, babe, shred it. So, Much better than Morley. Babe, tiger! Tiger!
What is it?
I said tiger! You're wearing my Crocs?
Why are you laughing? Huh? So I can give. I forgot mine.
Let's take cut mine. I'll take it out. Just little. Oops. Oops.
It's spilled. This is the third time I'm sitting.
Give me a take picture.